let's let you go to work and maybe you'll let me run the...
Yeah, definitely. I'd love to see you load a truck.
I'll screw it up for like 2 minutes and then I'll get out of your way.
Nervous?
Me?
Are you nervous to drive them?
No, I'm a man.
Oh, come on!
I'm not, you know why I'm not nervous? I'm not nervous because well, now I'm getting nervous. Hearing that noise. You want to show me how to do this?
You bet.
Really? Yeah, but you're not going to put me on any real ground, right? You're just going to let me play around and
No. Yeah, that's overburden for you there.
Yeah.
Would love to let you do that because that's hard digging.
Oh. How, I mean, like when you say it's hard digging, no one can really imagine why being in a machine would actually start to physically hurt you.
Yeah.
It does though.
Oh,
how?
Just the shock and you just, it's constantly bouncing
So it's
around.
like jarring you all night long?
Yeah, like
Whereas the silted layers are, it's like butter.
Nice. Yeah, but like all this big rock, like your teeth are trying to find a way through. Like it is packed extremely tight.
Let's do this. Make a man out of me, Brendan. Make a man out of me.
Yeah, you're an operator now.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm an old man though.
I feel old too, and I'm only 32. Just hit that light button there, right there. Yeah.
Lights, camera, action.
So this one here, that one will lift your boom.
This one?
Yep.
Okay.
If you pull that up, there you go.
Oh my God. Oh my
There you go.
God.
And then if you push this one sideways, this one swings the whole machine around. There you go.
You're supposed to wear your seatbelt or something?
Oh no. You're a pro already. Curl that one in. There you go, and lift up a bit with both of them. There you go, now curl, 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 curl.
Oh, that was not good. Oh, that's what you're not supposed to do.
And then you swing with this one towards me. That was a good bucket. Perfect.
Oh my God, that is so awesome. How many do you do in a night again?
Oh, probably 12, 1,300.
I've done how many?
2?
There's the friggin' rock and roll again.
Can you imagine back in the day? Think how many shovelfuls that was for those old timers
Oh my
with a
God.
pick and a shovel.
I gotta tell you, like, this is like every person who played with trucks when they were little.
There you go, that's a good one.
Absolutely love this.
Nice. Sure you don't want to start tonight?
I'll work tonight for you.
Perfect. I'm gonna go have some beers.
There's a bucket.
Nice. Now we're talking.
Oh yeah. Brennan, I gotta tell you, man, like, I have mad respect, like
Good
a little boy in the sandbox.
Yeah,
It's so
for
much
sure,
fun,
buddy.
man.
That's
Have a
awesome.
great shift.